My name is Dr. Leon Forrester Tcheupdjian, MD. I'm a cosmetic surgeon, and my passion and love is body sculpting, liposuction, liposculpture, body contouring. That's my passion. Liposuction, as the word implies, is extracting fat from underneath the skin of human body. We have fat everywhere, and that fat under the skin can be extracted. When liposuction first began, it was about removal of fat. Nowadays, it's about body contouring, reshaping your body, giving you definition. So this is achieved by high frequency or low frequency ultrasonic treatments during the procedure, energies such as radio frequency energy, also J plasma energy. Plasma and radio frequency are the new energies that tighten the human body for better improvement and contouring of your shape. Of all the cosmetic plastic surgical procedures, liposuction is the most difficult, demanding for the surgeon. And the reason is, it is sculpting the body in 3 dimensions. So there is a very sophisticated understanding of how the body has to look. As a sculptor, only experience of the surgeon can give you the ultimate result that you're seeking. Technologies are very important. The newer technologies not just address the removal of the fat, but also contouring of the body and skin tightening, which is a very important element after liposculpture. Recovery of liposculpture in our institute is surprisingly simple and easy. Most people return back to work in 48 hours, in 2 to 3 days. However, you do have to wear a specific compression garment. You will have some bruises and swelling that slowly and spontaneously will resolve. We will accelerate that process again by using technologies such as ultrasound or heel light. If you are not happy with your body and searching to improve your shape, contact the Liposuction Cosmetic Surgery Institute, and we would be happy to take care of you.